You're sitting on a plane, looking at the screen, thinking, are we there yet? And then something happens.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Steven. Why don't you come and join me on a nice bird watching tour? Yeah, follow me. Wow. Wow. I've just spotted a turquoise-browed mudmud. Why don't you come and have a look?
The Yucatan Peninsula is home to about 550 species of birds, like the American flamingo, blue-winged teals in the background, ferruginous pygmy owl, a cute little one. It can be very vicious. Quasi-endemic is the great-throated chat. This is the male. And an endemic is the orange Oriole. Olive-throated parakeets. And this is a white-fronted parrot, a male. You can see that on the red patches on the wings. And obviously we got beautiful beaches to enjoy the sun, but it's also great for bird watching and observing, for example, these cute little sanderling. And this is an ocellated turkey, another endemic of the Yucatan Peninsula. This is a juvenile purple gallinal. Large toes. And quite common to see is the squirrel cuckoo. And one of our larger raptors is the ornate hawk eagle. This is a barred endshrike, the male. And this is the female. Crane hawk, with their beautiful red eyes, long legs. And another raptor is the laughing falcon. They specialize themselves in catching snakes. This one caught one and is eating it. But it is still very rare to see a snake during a bird watching tour. But if we do, then we might encounter, like this one for example, a boa constrictor having a bit of struggle with the striped iguana. Here we see a green vine snake. And this is a cinnamon hummingbird. The Canivet's emerald, the male. And this one I filmed in slow motion, but even in slow motion it is still very, very fast. Another endemic is the black catbird. The green jay, very colorful, but also great in camouflaging. Same as this Lessons mudmud. This is a banana quit, cute little bird. And here we see a couple of masked titairas. On the left side is the female, on the right side obviously the male. and boat-billed herons with their chicks. Prehistoric looking birds. This is a juvenile. And here we're looking at a black-crowned night heron. And not very common to see during the day. Bright-rumped Attila. And a northern putu. And with this little video, I hope that I've given you a better idea of what bird watching is about here in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. If you have any doubts or any questions, please do not hesitate to send me an email to birdingwithsteven@gmail.com. I'm already looking forward to go birding with you. Thank you very much for watching.